rainy season means the keepers at Manggarai Floodgate must be on alert at all times. The Floodgate is the first gate the Ciliwung River passes through on its way from Bogor to Jakarta. Its function is to regulate the water flow so that vital areas in the capital such as government offices around the National Monument will not be affected. There are several workers working around the clock from the small modest room near the Floodgate every day. In their job, there are no sophisticated equipment. Simply walkie-talkies, telephones, and radios are enough to get their job done.
Enggak, kita tuh fleksibel, bisa mengerjakan apa aja. Kita bisa jaga-jaga pintu air, terus untuk lingkungan kita jaga, terus dengan debit air yang sekarang ini, kita ada pengecatan di pintu air Manggarai.
These keepers' main duties include controlling the water level at Manggarai Floodgate, monitoring reports from Depok and Bogor about the water level there, and making periodic reports of each development as it happens. The keepers also respond to questions from the public about the water level. This is not part of their job, but they do it regardless out of loyalty and genuine concern for the people.
Yang menjadi pikiran kerja di sini tuh, kalau lagi cuaca ekstrim, air sudah siaga 1, kepikiran keluarga yang pasti dan kepikiran rumah, takutnya kebanjiran juga. Dan kita pun nggak bisa pulang gitu aja karena tanggung jawab kita kerja di sini untuk mengabdi pada masyarakat.
Maintaining the floodgate at Manggarai is the job of Andi and Sunar, but the people of Jakarta can help them too. For example, by not dumping garbage into rivers or waterways as it contributes to flooding. Gandhi Setiawan, Dipta Adiwiguna, 4C Today.